Tiger, Snowball, Espresso, Latte, Coco, Mimi, Jennifer, Burrito, Bubbles, Jiggles, Sushi, Cheddar, and Bacon. Most difficult part was name picking.
I wish someone would have warned me about the constipation. That first poop was worse than delivery.
Nobody talks enough about breastfeeding. They fucking bite your nipples. Okay, let me tell you something nobody knows. Finding a good gynecologist is harder than finding a box to fit and sit in.
Do not join the online mom group.
Baby kicks don't feel like butterflies, and I had 8 of them. It feels like there was a world war in my belly.
I don't know the worst part, but the best part was being able to stay naked all the time. What up?
After I had my kittens, I lost a ton of hair.
Mental breakdown. You think being the husband is easy?
This entire interview is a great birth control.